Fourth runner-up is candidate number 5, Sean Benedict Ferrer.
There we go, our Mr. Pats fourth runner-up. Once again, our Mr. and Miss Pats fourth runners-up will be receiving a one full motion flight simulator session from Precision Flight Controls Philippines and cash prize for our Pats management.
Now for a female category. Our Miss Pats fourth runner-up is candidate number 4, Shanti Faye Walan. Congratulations, candidate number 4.
There we have it, Patsy is our Mr. and Miss Pats fourth runner-up.
Lovely guests and presenters. At this point, may we call on Mr. Raymond B. Dumalo Jr., Board Director, and J.E.M. Abulancia, one of our esteemed Board of Judges, and Captain Daryl Joseph Pasqua, a representative from Precision Flight Control Philippines, to present the awards for the Mr. and Miss Pats 2026 third runner-up. They will be accompanied by our Mr. and Miss Pats 2025 third runners-up, Mr. John Brent Dolphinius and Luis Vivian Asha.
All right. Our Mr. Pats third runner-up goes to once again, our Mr. Pats third runner-up goes to candidate number 17, Kian Guzman. The crown for the Mr. Pats 2026 third runner-up will be passed on by Mr. John Brent and the Philippines.
Our winner for our female category is our Pats Miss third runner-up is candidate number 14, Georgina Luciel Enriquez.
Now we move to our Mr. and Miss Pats 2026 second runner-up. Winners of this title will receive a free PPL ground schooling from Precision Flight Controls Philippines. Each winner will also receive a 10,000 peso cash incentive from Royal Aesthetics Clinic. They will also receive products from Boys Yarn. Now to present the title for Mr. and Miss Pats 2026 second runner-up, may we call on Engineer Jose Maria Paulo S. Valdez, Board Director, Ms. Maria Rosa Josefina T. Flestino, Board Director, and Captain Vince Claudel Catlog, Representative from Precision Flight Controls Philippines. They will be accompanied by our Mr. and Miss Pats 2025 second runners-up, Mr. Kurt Ashley D.C. Mendoza, and Ms. Paita May Samande.
For our Mr. Pats second runner-up, we have candidate number 13, Aaron James Ching.
Congratulations, candidate number 13, our Mr. Pats second runner-up. Now we move to the awarding of our Miss Pats 2026 second runner-up. Patsians, sino sa tingin niyo ang ating second runner-up? Natahimik, lahat ay kinakabahan, Rai.
Yes, so let's not keep this party started. Miss Pat's second runner-up is candidate number 6, Brazil Andrea Avicula.
We are now down to our top two finalists.
That's right, Ron. At this point, we will be announcing our winner for the Miss Pats 2026 title. But we will first crown our winner for Mr. Pats 2026 first runner-up.
Again, at this point, we will be announcing our winner for our Mr. Pats 2026 title.
But we will first crown our winner for our Mr. Pats 2026 first runner-up.
You know, right? We all know the importance of the position of the first runner-up. If for any reason our winners can't fulfill their obligations for the entire year, the first runners-up automatically take their places.
The candidate who will be crowned Mr. Pats 2026, on the other hand, will receive a free PBL ground schooling and 5 hours of a flight simulator session from the Precision Flight Control Philippines, 30,000 pesos cash incentive from Royal Aesthetics Clinic, and a 100% scholarship on tuition fee, excluding laboratory and miscellaneous fees for 1 academic year, and a cash prize.
Our winner, on the other hand, for the Mr. Pats 2026 first runner-up will receive a free PPL ground schooling from Precision Flight Controls Philippines, 20,000 peso cash incentive from our dear sponsor, Royal Aesthetics, and 50% scholarship on tuition excluding laboratory and miscellaneous fees for 1 semester, and a cash prize from the Pats management. Now to present the Mr. Pats 2026 first runner-up and Mr. Pats 2026 title, we call on Attorney Ana Catrina V. Cruz, Board Director and Vice President for Administrative Affairs, and Attorney Juan Victor S. Valdez, Board Director, and Captain Vince Clodel Taclob, Representative from Precision Flight Control Philippines. They will be joined by Bryden Lloyd de Asis Pasaganda, our Mr. Pats 2025 first runner-up, and Mr. Abdulaziz Bardecada, our Mr. Pats 2025 holder. Both our winners will also receive a gift pack from Boys Yon. Patsians! We now hold the results. Our Mr. Pats 2026 crown holder is none other than. But first, we'd like to thank Royal Aesthetics, of course, for giving us very gracious sponsorship, because our Mr. Pats 2026 title will receive a 30,000 cash incentive from Royal Aesthetics.
Yes, we would also like to thank our Pats College of Aeronautics for continuously supporting our candidates.
Of course. Now, our Mr. Pats 2026 is none other than candidate number. Candidate number 3, Yua Patrick Once again, the Bats 2026 first runner-up will receive a free PPL ground schooling from Precision Flight Controls Philippines, 20,000 peso cash incentive from Royal Aesthetics, 50% scholarship on tuition fee, excluding laboratory and miscellaneous fees for one semester, and a whopping cash prize from our Bats management.
The candidate who will be crowned Miss Pass 2026, on the other hand, will receive a free PPL ground schooling and 5 hours of simulator session from Precision Flight Controls Philippines, including a 30,000 pesos cash incentive from Royal Aesthetics Clinic and a 100% scholarship on tuition fee, excluding laboratory and miscellaneous fees, for one academic year and a cash prize.
Once again, our Mr. Pass 2026 is none other than candidate number 3, Mr. Yuon Patrick Torio. We now move to the awarding of Miss Bats 2026 first runner-up and our Miss Bats 2026 title holders. To present this award, let us welcome on stage Engineer Jose Eduardo S. Valdez, College President and COO, Madam Maria Felisa S. Valdez, Chairman of the Board and CFO. They will be accompanied by our Miss Bats 2025 first runner-up, Miss Hailey Doreen Calibo, and Miss Pauline Areta A. Marinas, our Miss Bats 2025.
Our Miss Pass 2026 is none other than
But you know what, Rai? Apart from other gifts that our candidates will be receiving, they will also receive a gift package from Poison. So we have to thank Poison for being so generous with us tonight. Am I right?
Yes, thank you for our wonderful sponsors. Without them, this event would not be possible.
That is right. But Sians, who do you think will take home the crown? Are you ready for our Miss Bats 2026?
Our Miss Pass 2026 is none other than candidate number 12.
Miss Aguilera from the Bachelor of Science in Aeronautical Engineering.
And our Miss Pass first runner-up is none other than candidate number 16, Beatrice Joyce Lim.
There we have it. Once again, our Miss Bats 2026 first runner-up is candidate number 16, Miss Beatrice Joyce Lim.
We would now like to welcome our Miss and Mr. Pass 2026 with Hanabe Ivy Lavina and candidate number 3, Erwan Patrick Corio.
Once again, our Miss Bats 2026 candidate number 12, Miss Hannah Bea Ivy Leva from the Bachelor of Science in Aeronautical Engineering. Congratulations to our Miss Bats tonight.
Now that we have our new crown holders, let us witness their first walk as the new face of the college.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen,